Hello everyone, in this video and the next video, we will be learning on Numpy. Numpy is a package that is widely used in data science community. This lets us work efficiently with arrays and matrices in Python. So let's start importing. Import Numpy as NP. By importing as NP, we can use NP to refer to Numpy. Now, let's start creating our first array. There are many ways to create an array. One way is we can start by creating a list and then converting to an array like this. So, this is our first NumPy array. If we check the type, it is NumPy array. Now, we can also create an array by passing the list directly like this. Now, let's create a multidimensional arrays. We can create a multidimensional array by passing in a list of lists like this. As you can see, I have passed in 3 lists with 3 elements each. And I got the output as 3 by 3 array. We can check the dimensions of an array by using the shape attribute. As we can see in the output, the shape is 3 by 3. Now, let's start exploring other ways of creating the array. Whenever we use the arrange function for creating the array, we pass in a start, stop and a step size like this. Here I have entered the start as 0 and stop as 5 and the step size as 2. Once this is executed, it will return evenly spaced values within a given interval. So we got the array as 0, 2 and 4. Let me create one more array with more elements. So b is equal to np.arrange 0, 50, 2. Now this array b has 25 elements. Suppose if we want to convert this array of numbers into 5 by 5 array, we can use the reshape to do that. So the array b shape has been changed to 5 by 5. Another way to create an array is with the use of linspace function. We use this linspace function similar to arrange function, except we tell the linspace as how many numbers we want to be returned. The function will split up the interval accordingly. Apart from reshape, we can use the resize function to change the dimensions in place like this. Apart from these methods, NumPy also has several built-in functions and shortcuts for creating the arrays. We can use the ones that return the array of ones like this. And then we can use the zeros to return the array of zeros. We can use the I to return an array with ones on the diagonal elements and zeros everywhere else, that is identity matrix. And we use the diag to construct a diagonal array. So this was about creating arrays using NumPy. In the next video, let's look into some of the operations which we can do with NumPy arrays. See you in the next video.